about the Dalton's atomic theory. British scientist John Dalton put forth in 1803 AD his celebrated atomic theory. According to this theory, matter is made up of atoms, and atoms are indivisible and indestructible. So, what is the theory? He said he invented that atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Indivisible means atom is a single substance, it cannot be divided into two parts. And indestructible, you cannot destroy the atom. An atom is indivisible and indestructible. All atoms, the second concept, all atoms of elements are alike. Yes, all atoms of elements are alike. For example, hydrogen is the element. This hydrogen element is made up of which atom? Only hydrogen atom. Helium is element. It is made up, it contains which atoms? Only helium. And different element have different atoms. For example, nitrogen and oxygen. These are the two atoms. So, nitrogen element contains nitrogen atoms and oxygen element contain oxygen atom. So, these two different elements have different atoms. So, this is the theory of Dalton. What is actually Dalton explain? I will show you one video and you understand the Dalton's postulates, theory, assumptions.
Atomic theory was proposed by John Dalton, an English chemist, meteorologist, and physicist in the 1800s. According to Dalton's atomic theory, all elements are composed of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms of an element cannot be created, destroyed, broken into smaller parts, or transformed into atoms of another element. The modern atomic theory says that atom can be divided into a number of subatomic particles, such as an electron, proton, and neutron. Atoms of the same element are identical in size, shape, and mass. It was later found that atoms of the same elements can have a different mass, as in isotopes of hydrogen, such as protium, deuterium, and tritium. Different elements have different types of atoms. Atoms of different elements can physically mix together or can chemically combine in simple whole number ratios to form compounds. Chemical reactions occur when atoms are separated, joined, or rearranged. Atoms of one element are never changed into atoms of another element as a result of a chemical reaction. Summary: Dalton's atomic theory states that elements are composed of tiny particles called atoms. All atoms of a given element are identical in size and mass. Atoms of one element are different than all other elements.
So, this is the theory of Dalton's. What is Dalton's atomic theory? Dalton's atomic theory stated that elements are composed of tiny particles called atom. All atoms of a given element are identical in size and mass. Atoms of one element are different than all other elements. So these are the postulates and assumptions made by John Dalton. Now next theory proposed about atom by Thomson, Sir J.J. Thomson's atomic model. So next theory, Thomson's plum pudding model. What is it? In the next video, just watch it. Thomson's plum pudding model of an atom.